Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a no makeup look. For starting I'm going to moisturize my face with Nivea cream. This is a drugstore product which is like pretty cheap and really a good quality product. I've been using it for a long time and it's really good for sensitive skin. Mine's a very dry and sensitive skin, so I will always make sure to moisturize my skin on daily basis twice a day. Washing my face, moisturizing is a must. Next, same moisturizing process for my lips. This lip balm I bought from Nykaa. It's looking very cute, right? And it's very easy for applying also. So once I'm done with moisturizing, this is the basic 2 steps on daily basis that I do. But just to enhance my look, I'm just going to apply concealer. That's it, as a base for my makeup. So first I'm going with primer. Whatever makeup you wear, like it can be small or big, always make sure to apply primer. It not only protects your skin from the makeup but also gives you a good finish. So I've used my Intimate Cosmetics primer. Then I'm using concealer. I'm not going to be using foundation for this look. So just concealing my under eye, around my lips, around my nose. This concealer is from Maybelline. I will leave all the product descriptions in the description box below. So I'm not even going to use brush or blender for blending this concealer. It's going to be that simple. You can just wear it in few minutes. In under 5 minutes you can finish off this look. All you're going to do is use your finger to blend the concealer. Since I'm explaining it to you all, it's taking a bit time, but when you do it on your own, it hardly takes 5 minutes. So 5 minutes of a day you can spend for making yourself look a little bright on daily basis. Since we are at home and we are all doing work from home, most of us are doing work from home, we might have video conferences to attend. We cannot apply heavy makeup on daily basis, put all contouring and all the glitter and all. Instead you can follow this simple no makeup look, which will not look too heavy but will make you look bright for the camera too. So I'm just blending it around my eyes and everywhere. Just blend it really well. Make sure you blended all the products. Sometimes I forget to blend around my nose, so please don't repeat that mistake. So blend. So whenever you apply concealer or foundation, you should always set it with a powder. Mine is not a very big oily skin, so I'm not going to use much of powder. I always prefer using powder wherever I've applied the concealer. So that's basically under my eyes, around my mouth. I'll just set the concealer. I don't apply it all over my face and on my neck because I haven't applied anything on my neck. So just to give that, finish. So once I'm done with this, that's it. Just going to brush out my eyebrows from all the powdery look. I'm not going to apply anything for my eyebrows, but if you feel you want a better defined eyebrows, you have less hair on your eyebrows, it's okay totally to go for just putting some color on your eyebrow. Maybe brown is much better than black. Then I'm just curling my lashes because I'll be just applying mascara, no kajal or eyeliner. So whenever you apply mascara, you can totally see the difference. When I apply mascara on this eye and I don't apply there, it gives that fresh, wet look. How much ever you want. If you want more mascara, you can apply more. But the one problem with mascara is when you remove it, you should take some time and remove it. Next thing is for my lips. I'm going to be using this nude shade from Nykaa. I bought from Nykaa. I'll leave the shade in the description box below. I'm not able to show it to you all in the camera. It's not focusing on it. So This is a very beautiful color. It's not too much or it's not too less. It just gives that elegant finish. And it's perfectly matching my skin tone and my lip. I'm just covering up all the blackness on my lips. My lips are too dark. I'm just covering it up. I'm not giving any color. You know, that nude look. But it looks fresh. So that's it, guys. So as you all see, I've just brightened. Brightened in the sense, I've just given some color to all the dark spots on my face. That's all. I haven't applied blush, contouring, highlighting, nothing. That's all is the look. You're totally good to go. You can apply this makeup on daily basis. You don't have to apply heavy makeup too. So until I meet you all with an amazing video soon. Bye.